Good morning, YouTube. My name is Will. Lotus has the win. Enzo's behind him. Welcome to another very beautiful quarantine day. If this is your first time stopping in, welcome to the channel and our German Shepherd vlogs. During this quarantine time, we're trying to do them pretty much every day, 4 to 5 a week plus a live stream. So 5 or 6 videos a week. This particular video that you're gonna see today is actually one that I shot a few weeks ago. It's about a topic that a lot of you have had questions on, and that is the seatbelt harness that I had Lotus in some of the Instagram photos and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in a minute. Wow, you're already tired, pup? Wow. So we'll see you in a minute. Wow, Lotus, you're so good. You let me put this on you? Now this is Enzo's. It's for large, extra large. I was able to tighten it pretty well to where it's okay. I would definitely want a medium for Lotus, but we're just gonna take a little short drive and see how it goes and just kind of see if he does any better in the car with it being restricted. And if he does, then I'll buy him one that fits him. You know, Lotus has so much trouble listening when he's under fear or duress or reactive. But I tell you what, when he's not, he's just like an angel. And he got right up in here. Let me put him in. You doing all right? Yeah. Now if this works, they make a kit where you can make this window functional. My wife was never on board with getting one. But you know, when it comes to the pups, there's no limit to the budget. So we could probably convince her, right boys? Right boys? Yeah. All right, so far so good. You can tell he was a little surprised when he first went to move and dawned on him that he couldn't because he hadn't tried to move. I mean, he can lay down and stuff. He just can't like get up. This actually right now is the loudest he's been the whole time, which, I mean, we're well past the park. He should have been a lot louder by now. So, I mean, I figured it would because he's generally calmer in the few times I've had him like in the front seat with me or something. He usually is calmer, and I think a lot of that has to do with he has too much space back there. He needs to be more restricted. And that's actually something we did with Enzo. Even when we had this, even when we first got the FJ, I actually had a soft divider back there just so he didn't have all the space. And I don't know why with Lotus, I guess just being two of them, I figured, you know, we'd just do without, but that's really my mistake, if for no other reason than he just needs to have less space. And I mean, I know he's not happy, but obviously when he's being all anxious and whining and jumping around, he's not really happy there either. So at least this way he's safe and I'm less distracted. All right, pretty successful first practice. I did have to remember to crack the window a little bit, which I normally will do that anyways when they've been out running around, but they hadn't been, so I didn't think about it, and after a few minutes I could tell he was getting a little warm. But other than that, what did you think? It wasn't that bad. No, it's not humiliating. No, safety's never humiliating. Now you gotta let me get you out. Hold on. You gotta hold on. Hold on. Let me put this down. All right, now careful. Yeah, there we go. That's a good boy. Oh, the back seat is effectively ruined. Not ruined, but it's a bit of a mess. That's okay. That's okay. It's worth it. It's okay. Come on, boys.
Six and a half hours later.
Now, if you decide to get one of these and try yourself, I'll link it below, but let me save you a little hassle and explain these hooks to you. So the thin part goes on their back. That way the attachment is here. The middle part goes under here. And then this comes up, this little latch here. This is really hard to do one-handed. It goes through and then turns and then locks. And then the excess you want down here so you can roll it up. You can see I have a lot of excess because this one's meant for Enzo. Oh, good boy. You gonna get in the back seat willingly again? You gonna be a willing participant in this experiment? Enzo, come. Enzo, Lotus. Lotus, up. No, not you, big boy. Lotus, up. Oh, good boy. Nope, Lotus, hold on. I took too long. My fault. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a good boy. No, here, we're doing it. We're good. We're good. Come on. Oh, yeah. I know Gus is there. I know. It's okay. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. Up again. Go on. Oh, yeah. That was a mess, but we did it. Okay. Between Gus and the wind. Enzo! Oh, good boy. Enzo.
Hey, Gus, we haven't seen each other forever. Gus, look!
Now your paws are all muddy. In. Jeez. Now your paws are all muddy, goof. Watch out. All right, I think you guys deserve a little reward. And the wifey was behind me. Right? Really? Lotus, hold on. Hold on, Lotus. I'm gonna get you out. Don't worry. Not gonna leave you out. Now you got yourself a little twisted here. What happened? Now I want to take this off though, because I don't want this to get wet. Enzo, sit. Oh, yep, there's mommy. Lotus, sit. All right, try not to get too muddy. Break. There's always hope. All right, so the first couple trips were pretty good success. Obviously, we've been doing it for a few weeks now. You know, there's definitely some pros and cons. One of the biggest cons that if he isn't being quiet, he's very close to your head. Another con is the fact that the windows don't go down in the back of the FJ, like the back windows don't. So I don't really like that aspect, and that's leading me to question the FJ as a whole. But that's something I'm gonna talk about more in some future videos. I know I've talked about it a little bit on the live streams already and different things, but I'm kind of coming to a different conclusion. Oh, you want to, careful, pole. Enzo ran into one of those poles as a pup. Scared the living daylights out of me. I actually have it on video. I don't ever show it because it's like cringe-worthy. It just scares me even to watch it to this day. Because he had the GoPro harness on, so like it's like, yeah, you can see it. You're gonna go after the bird. Oh, good boy, Lotus, you get that bird? I know, they can all fly. Oh, squirrel. Oh, he got tricked. Heel! We don't go in the brush, you know that. I know you were close, but that doesn't matter. Well, it's not entirely true that I don't want you to catch him. Break. Lotus, don't go in the brush. Lotus. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh boy. Oh, phone's ringing. Back to the video.
Day 2.
Third trip with the seatbelt. He's calmer, but when he's not calmer, he's closer to your ears, which makes him louder. Lotus, it's okay. She's gone. He knows somebody was in here. He's not happy about it. Mother-in-law dropped off the groceries. And he knows somebody was up here. It's all right. It's okay.
Don't you growl at me!
Changing 3 lights to bright white.
No! Off!
this day 3, trip 4 or 5 with the seatbelt harness. Enzo back there. I don't know where we're going. Do you guys know where we're going? We'll figure it out. We found actual rolling hills. A little windy right now, but check out all these rolling hills. I mean, literally rolling hills. What'd you think of this, other than the wind? So we found actual rolling hills. I mean, Enzo, Lotus, this way. Enzo. I mean, seriously, rolling hills. Once again, a new park for me and the pups. It's like a nature preserve. This thing's massive. I drove around it. We're like in the middle and you still several minutes to like drive length. Lotus. Oh, you gotta go pee over there? By us walking through all these? That was the spot. Come here. I can't see up there. Looking for a spot, buddy? That's what it seems like. Yeah, I figured. And they've even got some cool hiking trails. We kind of came back on a little bit. They're getting muddy. There's tons of space for them to run and play and explore that isn't muddy, so we're gonna go back. But definitely something to keep in mind for a future day. Hello, come on. Lotus. I really don't think the camera's gonna do justice to just how big this area is. I bet this is at least probably almost 3 football fields in size. Like, it's just massive, not even counting the fact that it's going up and down. Off. Oh, you're gonna pee on it now. Okay. What'd you think of this place? And just wait till it's a little bit warmer and we can go in like the wooded areas, get on the trails. It'd be even cooler. I don't know if I said this in the last video, but basically my thing is now I'm just looking up all the parks in our area and we're just gonna go to them all and see what they're about. You know, a lot of them are so close to other parks that it's like, you know, if we get to one and we're just like, meh, you know, I mean, wouldn't be the first time we had to change plans on one of our days. Come on, boys. That area is very low cut, meaning very muddy. Love this thick grass too. So we can just be calm, just kind of hang out. Yeah. Somebody just showed up, parked next to us. And I thought at first they had like a small dog or anything because I didn't see him get out. Nope. It's a backpack because he is playing frisbee golf, because I guess technically this is a frisbee golf field. And I'm sorry, but only a Tesla owner could have time on a weekday to come play frisbee golf. Right, buddy? Nothing against Teslas. I like them. Seriously, I'm not judging. I mean, I'm here in the middle of a weekday with my pups, but I just thought that was funny. I don't know. You know, you hear people taking lunch breaks or something and going to play golf or hitting the batting cage, but not frisbee golf. That's a new one. Actually, if my sister and her husband are watching, he's big in the frisbee golf, so you should probably come check this place out. I don't know what this would rank on, if they rank frisbee golf circuits like they do other like golf. Heel. Oh, I think he was running towards something, but he wasn't barking. I think it was just a squirrel. Break. Oh, we're gonna try to get that bird. Oh, but it can fly. He's trying though. He said, you gotta land eventually. It gotta land eventually. Yeah. Alright, made it back up to the FJ. Heel. Oh, there's the Tesla. I think we're still gonna explore just a little bit more, like one of these other areas right next to us. Lotus. Yeah, that's better. I mean, I really can't stress enough how massive this place is. Right, this way. If I wanted to, I could probably make this a separate video right here and convince you guys this was a whole different park. With all these pine trees. I mean, it just looks completely different over here. It's crazy. Hey, what are we looking at? Wanna go this way? There's a little makeshift path. Oh, it's not very makeshift. It looks pretty good, actually. Come on. Well, I'm going. See you guys later, I guess. Oh, bye, pups. Oh, you gonna come? All right, this little like hidden path kind of sucks because it seems like people have the mentality of nobody can see me, I don't have to clean it up. Look, if you're out in the middle of the woods and your dog goes off the trail, fine, I don't blame you. But I mean, like, just because people can't see you. Anyways. Hey, Lotus, I can't see what's up over that hill. Can you wait for me? Oh, that's a good boy. Good boy. Appears to be more hill. Wow, this place just literally just, I feel like I keep saying it over and over again, but it just keeps on going over and over. I was gonna say we should probably get off this trail, but I don't wanna go through that muddy mess. Come on, boys. We'll go a little bit farther. Boys. Bye. Bye, Enzo. Bye-bye. Off. I'll say it again. It's like we're in a completely different place. This is the same trail we were just on. I mean, it forked and the green part kept going, but we're gonna take this cut, which looks like it gets back to green up there. So it happened again. I forgot their water bowls, but last time that happened, I went to the store, bought some, put them in our container back here. Some paper ones, just for this sort of emergency. I need to set this down. All right, back home. What do you think, boys? Think we should wash a car? Make the most out of this weather? Do you see your ramp down yet? Yeah, should probably make the most of it, don't you think? Goofball, did you almost fall? What the pup? What the pup? What we gonna do with you? What we gonna do with you, huh? Oh my goodness. You doing all right? You still not over the squirrel? He's still not over it. He must have jumped back and over that fence thing, that wall, like 20 times. If you're like us, I know in the live stream, a lot of you are saying that you too, your quarantines have been extended. Ours has been extended till May 1st. Oh, you're gonna take a break? Yeah, you probably need that good wet grass. Yeah, that's okay. You don't have to wipe you down. That's just me. Will work for me. Anyways, you know, be safe out there. I know it's rough. You know, I'm like looking at this playground here where somebody's like torn the police tape down. It's like, really, people? Like, just, I know it's rough, but just be patient, be safe above all. And we appreciate you guys. We appreciate your support. The comments and everything mean a lot to us as well. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. If you are, please like them. They do help the channel. Subscribe if you want to be notified when videos come out. Yep, ring the bell too. Lotus is right. Ring the bell if you want to actually be notified by YouTube. We do have some new merch coming. I know some of you asked for it in the live stream. I'm having Nisha work on it, so hopefully that'll be up maybe tonight, but, well, actually probably by tonight. So by the time you watch this, it might be up. Otherwise, we've been here over a half hour. We've played fetch, we've walked laps, we've chased squirrels and birds. And with that, appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you tomorrow.
Traffic jam. Bubba, you better get going. You're too worried about squeaking up the whole way. You're slowing it down. I'm gonna get it. Enzo, did you see him? He shook his head real like violently.
Oh.
So I was like, man, I just want to squeak this toy.